Unleashing Inner Power. 8 Stoic Principles to Become Truly Formidable. Have you ever wondered what truly makes a man dangerous, not in a menacing way, but in a way that commands respect and admiration? Let's explore the Stoic path to becoming truly formidable. Stoicism isn't about aggression or dominance, it's about mastering oneself and living in alignment with virtue. In today's world, where strength is often equated with force, Stoicism offers a different perspective on what it means to be truly powerful. Society often glorifies aggression and dominance as markers of strength, but this overlooks the deeper qualities that make a man truly formidable: wisdom, resilience, and moral courage. It's time to challenge the misconceptions and redefine what it means to be dangerous in a Stoic way. Number 1. Discipline of desire. Learn to control your desires and impulses, channeling your energy towards meaningful pursuits rather than fleeting pleasures. Number 2. Endurance in hardship. Embrace adversity as an opportunity for growth and development, cultivating resilience in the face of life's challenges. Number 3. Wisdom in action. Cultivate wisdom through self-reflection and learning, making informed decisions that align with your values and principles. Number 4. Courage in the face of fear. Confront your fears head-on, embracing discomfort as a catalyst for personal growth and transformation. Number 5. Temperance in all things. Practice moderation and self-restraint in all aspects of life, avoiding excess and maintaining balance. Number 6. Integrity in character. Stay true to your principles and values, even when faced with temptation or pressure to compromise. Number 7. Humility in success. Remain humble in the face of success, recognizing that true greatness lies in service to others and the greater good. Number 8. Gratitude in abundance. Cultivate gratitude for the blessings in your life, fostering a mindset of abundance and appreciation. Of all the Stoic principles, perhaps the most impactful is the discipline of desire. By mastering your desires and impulses, you gain control over your actions and emotions, empowering yourself to live with purpose and integrity. In summary, Stoicism offers a powerful framework for becoming truly formidable, not through brute force or aggression, but through wisdom, resilience, and moral courage. By embracing Stoic principles, you can unlock your inner power and become a force to be reckoned with in all areas of your life. Are you ready to unleash your inner power and become truly formidable? Share your thoughts on Stoicism and subscribe for more content on personal development and philosophy. Together, let's embark on the journey to becoming the best versions of ourselves.